was an audition that me and my friend Joseph and Josh, we did for this team called Ivy League.
Mm-hmm.
And our theme was Lady Gaga. And so I think this was one of the best auditions we've ever done. It was chaotic as hell. Very chaotic. So we decided to be different Lady Gagas. So I tried to be like Poker Face but like dressed in black. And then Joseph was Telephone with the caution tape.
Oh.
And then our other friend Josh was he did kind of like the meat dress. He had this like hot dog.
Hot dogs.
I made him a hot dog boa. I'm not kidding. Like,
my God,
hot dogs. Yes.
You use actual hot dogs?
Actual hot dogs.
Oh my God.
Yeah. This was such a chaotic. Yes.
That is fragrant.
Very chaotic. And so Joseph, he was so we did like the individual rounds, and then he went to change because he was literally gonna be in like stockings and then caution tape. Yes. But when he was changing, he got called for he was called for callbacks. Oh. And he only had like he was like covering his junk, and then he had on like tights, and that was it.
Oof.
Yes. And then at first he was like, damn. And then he was like, fuck it, I'm out here covered, like my junk covered, and I'm out here. We're gonna do this audition. I was like, yes, boo. No caution tape just yet.
No caution tape just yet.
And yes, it was so great. So iconic. If you're watching this, Joseph, love you. That was that was it. That was amazing soup.
That was amazing.
Amazing soup. But yeah. And then so Josh, he had the hot dog boa, and also we had like roast beef. But I was dog sitting my Big's dog Unagi, and he had gotten into the roast beef. Yeah, he got into the roast beef.
Oh no! Literally, the dog ate my homework.
He had a good meal.
Yeah,
he had a good meal. He didn't get the hot dogs, but he had a good meal.
He had some roast beef. The dog ate my homework.
Yes.
It's like, what's the rest of your costume?
Happened. Oh my God.
The dog ate it.
Yeah, my costume. My dog ate it. What?
My dog ate it.
Lady Gaga. Iconic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hot dog boa. I'm not over it. I'm trying to picture it. Just the whole boa.
That happened. I completely forgot.
Made with hot dogs. How many hot dogs?
I think I bought like, because you know what, a pack comes with like 8.
Yeah.
I want to say I bought maybe like 3 or 4 packs.
Okay, so like 20.
And
plus.
then I think we wrapped it in like a saran wrap. Like very
so he doesn't get hot dog juice all over him.
Yeah, but you know, it's still a little bit fragrant. Yeah, there were hot dogs that flew. Yeah, it was
just flying wieners everywhere. Flying wieners. That's it. That's the title of the episode.
Wiener for you.
You get a wiener. You get a
wiener. You get a wiener. No buns.
Everyone's a wiener. What?
Yeah.
Wait, what was it? What was that movie? Accepted? Ask me about my wiener.
Ask me about my wiener.
Iconic. So iconic. Ask me about my wiener. And then the holds. You can't forget the hold. Oh man.
Emeroy agrees. This is the title of the episode. Flying wieners.
Flying wieners. Yes.
Flying wieners.
I think that's a great title.
Yep. Flying wieners. It goes up on YouTube. Flying wieners. And it's just our faces. That is how you clickbait. Yeah. Wieners, episode 1. Flying. Oh no. Wives and wieners.
Wives and wieners. Oh.
Wait. Okay, I was gonna make it like something like diners, drive-ins, and dives. So I was gonna be like something wieners and wives.
Wasted wieners and wives.
There you go. Put Guy Fieri's face on there.
Dab, dab.